camera rolling no matter what. Pointing at anybody. If anybody say something. Right now, I ain't gonna lie, know what I'm saying? We outside right now. I got my Gotti with me. Bro, we playing with the animals. Give me the yard sale. We trying to catch the thing now.
Buddy? Come here, bud.
Little rabbit right there.
Huh? Come here. Just like that.
Waterman
Got his ass.
Nah. He's caged, man. Can't run the quick around that corner. You see how nice junk is though? Look at it. It's wide angle lens.
Damn.
So tell me why I got a new tire today, right? That's on my baby. My car jacked up right now. And some dude hitting my car with a camera. What are you doing? The heck? Dang. Dang. I ain't got this look good up. Thanks. Oh, nigga just kissed me on my lip. Oh, hell no. Right now what we are doing, I'm dark. I know what we are that we have the yard sale right here. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Still having the yard sale and you know what I'm saying? Fixing my tire. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, I just found out where my crack was at in my rim, bro. My crack is right there, bro. Look at this. You see that? I am a late ball, my guy. I am a late ball. But my baby right here, we getting my tire on. I ain't gonna lie. I'm saying I finally found the tire. It was so hard to find that joint, you feel me? No yapping, it was so hard to find it. Kinda it was easy. Tire shop had it, but the joint look wide as I don't know what, look big compared to my other ones. But that's a 285, that's a 265. This is 2, bro, them niggas scheme. This is 275, bro. They told me I had it with a 265. They scheme me, bro. No yappity. It's two sizes on this shit. 275, 35, 275, 35. Never mind, I'm tripping. Oh well. Let me see the other one. I don't know, but oh well. But nah, I ain't gonna lie, know what I'm saying? That's what we doing right now, you feel me? No yappity. Tonight we gonna be lit, we be turned, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Classic, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Meat. Yeah. Tight sheet.
Cut them bought the wrong fucking tire, yo. He said, yeah, I need that one. I need that one. Bitch don't even fit. Shit don't even fit, cuz.
Don't trash, brother.
They scheme you, just like that old lady schemed me.
Late.
Stupid.
Man, what is the word, my guy? You gotta get close now, you feel me? Okay, look, wide angle lens. Listen, we back outside and we got my nigga Gotti behind the camera, you feel me? No yap, you know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, it's classic weekend, and you know what that means. It's outside time. There's a good amount of people at the parking lot right now, you feel me? My baby's over there, but you can't see her right now, cause no. But listen, I ain't gonna lie, we gonna see what it is. I ain't gonna lie, that 30 day streak, forget that, you know what I'm saying? I messed it up, you know what I'm saying? Some things, you know what I'm saying? Some things I ain't gonna speak, you know what I'm saying? Some things, you know what I'm saying? But it don't matter, you know what I'm saying? Cause we gonna be turned, you know what I'm saying? I'm bringing that good videos back. Y'all gonna see the lit videos now, cause I'm with my nigga Gotti again, you feel me? And we not, you know what I'm saying? We not dropping this camera at all. Ever, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be recording everything, you know what I'm saying? All different type of content. Like I said, I'm trying to expand my content. So if y'all wanna see me, you know what I'm saying, see my journey, you know what I'm saying? Y'all hit that subscribe button and tune in, cause we gonna be lit for sure. No yapping. Nah, let's get into it. Facts. Okay. You see me? I'm good. I ain't black.
Nah, you black as shit.
See, alright, I'm good now.
Hey, yeah.
Bro, look, listen. I don't know where nobody at, bro. Like, people need to, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Bro, I ain't gonna lie. All I see is baby mama cars, bro. I'm tired of this. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see some, you know what I'm saying, some slider shit, you know what I'm saying? No cap. To be honest with you, you know what I'm saying? Hondas, Toyotas. Bullshit. Okay.
This how the spot get shut down. This how the spot get shut down. This how the spot get shut down. This how the spot get shut down.
Then they got a silencer on that bitch.
That bitch was on mute.
It was on mute?
It was on, no. The car was on mute. The car was on mute.
Oh, the police. I ain't gonna lie, know what I'm saying? I feel turned, you feel me? No cap, cause look, listen. Nah, for real though, look, niggas coming up to me, you feel me? Look, back in the day, when I had my Avenger, and nobody came up to me and said nothing, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? But now people coming up to me and shit like that, saying shit to me, you feel me? Like, I feel like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I feel like that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I feel family, you feel me? I feel special. Think about it. We used to dream about this shit. Remember that? We used to be on the back of the parking lot. You know what I'm saying? Parking lot people like cars back there. You know what I'm saying? Back of the parking lot. You know what I'm saying? And now, you know what I'm saying? We in the parking lot with, I mean, we ain't with nobody right now, but like we used to be scared to talk to people, you know what I'm saying? Avoiding people, things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? We used to follow, look, we never had a locations. We used to always follow people, you know what I'm saying?
We used to always make it to the spot.
Yeah, exactly.
Every time.
Look, exactly. No matter how.
You didn't make it, I made it.
Exactly. We was going slow in a slow car, you know what I'm saying? Us thinking we going fast for keeping up with it. We weren't keeping up with nobody, you know what I'm saying? We was really, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, really thugging, you know what I'm saying? We dreamed about this. And it's crazy because I ain't talked about this in so long, but we dreamed about this shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? And look,
we ain't there yet. We ain't there yet.
Exactly. Nowhere near. And the thing is about it, we said, give us, you know what I'm saying? Give us like a year. You know what I'm saying? One of us gonna have it. One of us gonna have that, you know what I'm saying, that your car we want. Guess what? We got it. Nah, my guy, you know what I'm saying? You ought to get hit, you know what I'm saying? No, yeah. Listen. Now when we both got our shit though, man, what? It's over with. Facts. Can't nobody tell us nothing. Facts. You know what I'm saying? We gonna be, you know what I'm saying, yeah, outside. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. No cap. Yo, what's good with y'all, man? I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? We outside of the gas station. Look, listen, the spots, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. They be getting shut down every time. No yapping.
Outside, motherfucker.
No yapping.
Let me know.
We finally had a spot, no cap. You know what I'm saying? Listen. You know what I'm saying? Oh, damn.
Damn.
Hey, look, listen. You know what I'm saying? We finally had a spot. Now I'm trying to see what the fuck going on. You feel me? Because, like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. No cap. I ain't see a car slide yet. It's been a while.
She black as shit.
For real?
Yeah. Right here.
Better now?
Yeah.
Man, I ain't been in no spot in a long ass time, you know what I'm saying, man? Trying to see where the action is. Come on, let's go. But ain't nobody doing shit right now. What the fuck going on? I ain't care. Keep the camera rolling no matter what. Fuck that shit. Point at anybody. If anybody say something, the fuck was that? Man, I ain't never seen no shit like that in my life. That shit crazy. Ain't God. That's impressive. I ain't gonna lie, we keeping this camera rolling 24/7. I don't care if the battery die. You gotta get all the content we get for real. Cause I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? I ain't record shit the whole time. But now I'm about to start recording shit now. I heard that. Hope I got PTSD. These niggas should not be in the middle. No cap. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know him. If y'all OG, y'all know him. You know what I'm saying? Boy about to snap. No yap. Okay, you saw me running in the middle. Okay.
I think for you.
These niggas should not be in the middle. Thank God we got hit. Oh shit! Hey, tweaking.
The cameraman never died.
This nigga is, you know what I'm saying? I ain't never seen no, you know what I'm saying, shit like that slide, but is that a supercar? What the fuck? One thing, you never see these cars at all at the meets like this, bro. Never. So where the fuck these cars coming from? Facts. But these cars are okay. scared, okay? Got me happy. I'm out hit my band like this. Hold up. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, know what I'm saying? I keep hearing like I'm saying, seeing a lot of things, know what I'm saying? And all type of shit. Hearing people say it's cold. I'm from Virginia. It feel good. Facts. Me personally, I wouldn't take that shit. Me personally, I ain't taking no rollback. Fact. I ain't taking no rollback. What you doing? Somebody roll back on you?
Man, I'm getting back in. He let an infinity roll back on him.
Not for real though, game. I ain't gonna lie. The vet know how to control that power. Facts. You got it with?
Yeah.
Mustang. Okay, don't be close to him.
I'm scared. Oh, we got to go.
Hey, Cal. Hey, look. I already knew. When the Mustang get inside the pay, I already know. No, that shit about nothing. Oh, shit, what the fuck is that? I got scared. Look. I'm paranoid now. No cap. I'm out here paranoid now. Bro, that's an RC with a Hellcat logo. RC with a Hellcat logo. Nah, he go crazy, but that's an RC with a Hellcat logo though. Oh, what? Okay. That's in my ear. What the fuck?
Look, it say Big Monster. Not the little one.
Fuck you.
Got bubble on that little back. Yeah. Listen, I'm about to give me that drinky drink. Y'all know what drink I'm about to get. Oh shit. The worker is a savage. That nigga not playing no game. That nigga on all bullshit. That nigga about to call the police too.
He said, fuck you. Fuck you.
And I thought he was joking around. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, yeah, you know what I'm saying, bro.
Still standing on business.
Nah, for real.
He said.
Nah, for real. Nigga ain't standing on, but he's stepping on business. Where the fuck where my drink at? Oh yeah. Y'all know. You feel me? Y'all always gotta get this. If y'all know. Look, this is the drink. You know what I'm saying? Of the century. You gotta get this. Man, what? You tripping? This is, you know what I'm saying, what y'all gotta give. Y'all ever come to 7-Eleven? Y'all got 7-Eleven where y'all at? You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get this right here. It's that shit right here. Gang.